My name is Roger White-Stoller, and I am a sculptor, and I was honored to be selected to do this piece, SunHelix, for Texas Tech, and specifically for the campus at St. Angelo. For this project there was a national RFP, and at that time I had been developing a new type of art. Prior to that I'd been doing mostly cast bronze work, which is very much hand done. And because of my training in industrial design, I had been exposed to computer modeling and working in 3D in the virtual space. And I wanted to create work in that space which could then be used to create actual physical artwork. And the piece at Angelo State is probably the best example of that I've done. From start to finish of sending in the proposal, it was about 2 years to create this piece, and probably the fabrication was a little under a year and a half to do. It does involve, after finishing the 3D model, doing laser cutting of the steel and then the bending of the steel with these large hydraulic presses, all done with equipment that a little art studio like mine cannot afford. And so I work with a company called NorCal Metal Fabrication, where our computers are synced with each other and they can read our data and vice versa, and therefore have that data drive the machines that are going to do this part of the fabrication. And then the rest of it is done at my studio in San Jose, all the welding and grinding and finishing and stuff like that. I was very impressed when I visited West Texas about how hot it can be, and that year there had been over 110 days of 100-degree heat. And so I wanted to make this piece about the sun, and beyond that, the basic 4 elements that have been around in Western art and science since the Greeks, which is earth, air, fire, and water. And so I created patterns based on that idea that are in the medallion below the piece and then rise up in the patterns on the piece, but featuring the sun itself as the major element of the work.